Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back. So today I'm so excited to announce my very first collaboration, and it's actually with an Etsy shop called POPSTASH. So little known fact about me, I am a huge Etsy shopper. I buy so many things on there. I love things that are really unique and handmade. I actually used to be an Etsy seller myself. I used to make wreaths, like, for the front door. And I actually sold quite a bit of them and had a little business going on the side, but then I had my son and I just didn't have time to do it anymore. But even though I had to quit doing that, I still make them like for us or for friends and family just because I love doing it so much. So I was super excited when POPSTASH contacted me because, like I said, I just love supporting Etsy and her designs are so pretty. So I won't keep you in suspense any longer. Let's go ahead and I'll show you what it is. So you might have seen on the shelf behind me these little brush holders right here. So this is actually what the collab is. These are wood, they're eco-friendly. She makes them herself, she paints them herself, and then adds the writing on it. So you have one for eyes, one for face, and one for lips. You can pretty much put anything you want in them. If you don't want eye brushes, you could always do like eyeliners. I do have lip liners in this one right here just because I don't have a lot of lip brushes. And one of the reasons I really loved this idea versus a makeup collab is because we all have so much makeup already, but there's really just such a shortage of really cute makeup storage. A lot of it is just like basic acrylic type holders, and those are made out of plastics. So I love that these are wood, they're more eco-friendly, and I just love, like, they're just so cute and whimsical. So they look a lot better displayed in your makeup room, on your vanity, wherever you want to keep them, versus just one of those holders that you can get in a regular store. So the set of 3 is going to retail for $34.99, and I chose the color white. She does have other colors available, not in my specific collaboration, but if you did want another color and you didn't want to just buy my set, you could always just grab a different one. She does have a lot of really beautiful colors available, but I just figured white would go with most people's decor, so that's why I chose white. So I'll just quickly show you a close-up of the holders themselves so you can get a better idea of what they look like. They're really nice, manageable size. They fit a lot of brushes in them, but they're not like an oversized, big, clunky thing that's going to take up a lot of space either, which is a really great thing. And like I said, they are hand-painted wood, so each one is going to be a little bit different, a little bit more unique. Each one's going to have a little bit of a different grain to it. And because these are a handcrafted item, they're made to order, so you're looking at a time frame of like 3 to 6 days for her to make your order. There are 2 different shipping options. They're actually shipping from Israel, so if you're in the United States, the slower shipping could take anywhere from 7 to 21 days, depending on where you live. And then if you're closer to Israel, it's going to be obviously a lot faster. But she does offer faster shipping as well, so if that's something you're interested in, it is going to cost a little bit more, but you'll get your item quicker. So anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this collab. I hope you are as excited as I am about it. Please let me know down below if you did place an order, and thank you so much in advance if you're planning to order these. I know you're gonna love them. They are just, like I said, they're so cute. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.